In the event that you're searching for Cosmos cost expectations conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and really need to generally know where the costs of Cosmos, IOTA, will go later on in an exceptionally significant manner. We will break down the essentially past costs of Cosmos, molecule, and will fundamentally figure out what specialists in every way that really matters are saying regarding its future cost activities. Kindly by and large remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners in a significant way. Also foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable in a significant manner. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should fundamentally begin Cosmos past value examination as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is $6.81, and IOTA in every practical sense is presently certainly positioned number 27 in the whole crypto-biological system in a by and large significant manner. The course supply of Cosmos is 364,590,741 with a market cap of $2,482,761,556. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Cosmos's cost has shown a very decent increment of 2.27%. As of now in a significant manner, Cosmos explicitly is confronting a for the most part difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which is genuinely critical. The particle most certainly is down to nearly 0.14% over the most recent 7 days. The coin really is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for especially past kind of couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have most areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in essentially present moment, or so they truly thought. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of molecule diminished by 47.415%, killing an incredible really normal amount of $6.14 from its extremely current worth. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a decent really purchase and open door for certainly speedy venture. The 90 days cost change is near 49.71%. And the cost coursed from a very least typical cost of $12.19 to most extreme normal cost of $13.72. In the beyond 90 days, Cosmos is somewhere near 33.17% with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $9.21, and the in every practical sense, least genuinely normal value of was around $8.99 in beyond 4 months, which is very critical. We anticipate future Cosmos cost expectations IOTA figure by applying profound exceptionally man-made consciousness, helped specialized investigation on the essentially past value information of Cosmos. We do are in a real sense the best to gather most extreme verifiable information for the particle coin, which fundamentally incorporate really various boundaries like past value, Cosmos market cap, Cosmos volume and scarcely any more. On the off chance that you are looking to fundamentally put resources into computerized digital currencies, and especially need most certainly great profit from your speculations, essentially try to in every practical sense, read our forecasts in an unobtrusive way. Cosmos value expectation 2023. The cost of Cosmos for the most part is essentially anticipated to generally reach at least degree of $9.51 in 2023. The Cosmos cost can arrive at an exceptionally greatest degree of $10.83, with the sort of typical cost of $9.93 all through 2023, which is genuinely huge. Cosmos value expectation 2024. Cosmos cost in every way that really matters is estimate to in a real sense arrive at an all things considered most minimal sort of conceivable degree of $14.31 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the molecule cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $17.09, with the exceptionally normal gauge cost of $14.71. In a fundamentally huge manner, molecule value estimate for 2025 Cosmos cost is figured to arrive at a least truly conceivable degree of $21.26 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the particle cost could truly arrive at a very greatest conceivable degree of $24.21, with the in every practical sense, normal figure cost of $22. Cosmos molecule value expectation 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on kind of past value information of IOTA in 2026, the cost of Cosmos is generally anticipated to basically reach at any rate level of $31.71. The particle cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $37.58, with the truly normal exchanging cost of $32.59. Which is very critical, which is very huge. Cosmos value expectation 2027, as per our profound specialized examination on fundamentally past value information of IOTA in 2027. The cost of Cosmos is gauged to be at around a base worth of $44.24. The Cosmos value worth can arrive at an extremely limit of $55.58, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $45.55 in United States dollars in a significant manner. Cosmos value expectation 2028. The cost of Cosmos is anticipated to reach at least worth of $63.90 in 2028. The Cosmos cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme worth of $75.99, with the typical exchanging cost of $66.18, all through 2028. Cosmos IOTA value forecast 2029. The cost of Cosmos is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $94.73 in 2029. The Cosmos cost could sort of arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $111.88, with the typical exchanging cost of $98.04, all through 2029. Cosmos value gauge 2030. The cost of one Cosmos is supposed to, in a real sense, reach at a truly least degree of $133.11 in 2030. The molecule cost can really arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of $166.22, with the typical cost of $137.03 all through 2030 in a significant manner. In a quite large manner, Cosmos molecule value expectation 2031. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2031, the cost of Cosmos is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $190.32, which is genuinely huge. The particle cost can arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme degree of $232.03, with the very normal exchanging cost of $197.17, in spite of prevalent thinking, or so they fundamentally thought. Cosmos value expectation 2032. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2032, the cost of Cosmos is supposed to reach at a sort of least value worth of $289.96.